Welcome back. As we near the end of our first season of Culinary Medicine Recipe, I'm excited as we transition in this episode. Up to now, we've really been working on helping you understand what culinary medicine is in all the spaces that it's been used, and also empowering you through the bite-sized episodes on how to utilize this information on a day-to-day. Today, we're mixing things up, and I'm going to concretely show you in the kitchen how does that play out. As we talked about many episodes ago in the Healthy Plate episode on trying to fill up half our plate with vegetables and fruits, a quarter with whole grains, and a quarter with well thought out proteins. As a reminder, that episode is available both in audio wherever you listen to podcasts, as well as in video form on YouTube. Now, taking that information and combining it with the episode that we had on time savers in the kitchen, we are going to take it a next step. So here we have lentils, the diced potatoes, as well as those roasted vegetables. I'm going to combine those with some delicious Indian spices. So we have garam masala, turmeric, and pepper. Going back to the hosted episode with Dr. Gupta, where we focused on inflammation and the use of turmeric specifically, this is a perfect scenario where that plays out. So you take these ingredients, really mild flavor, add these really flavor-enhancing anti-inflammatory spices, and you can top it once it's warmed up with some plain yogurt, with some garam masala for added flavor, and you have yourself a delicious Indian bowl with anti-inflammatory foods all around, which I want to take you back to the bite-sized episode where we focus on anti-inflammatory foods and available both audio and video. And there you have an Indian spice dish. As an alternative, you can take similar ingredients, even the exact same ingredients, or switch it up a little bit. This time I have my red rice, my black beans, and my roasted vegetables, and I'm going to add a Mexican spice blend. So here we have oregano, dried garlic, and dried onion, paprika, chili powder, and cumin. Mix them all up, warm them up, and we can choose to top that with some salsa that we have in our fridge as well. And you can have it as is, or you can use some of those delicious corn tortillas to go with it to make some delicious tacos. And that is a beautiful way to combine and the power of anti-inflammation, the power of combining that plate and getting all those nutritious, delicious ingredients and not eating the same thing on a day-to-day. Hope you enjoy. Until next time, salud and bon appetit. Please note that the content or opinions in this episode are for informational purposes only and are not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you are uncertain if an ingredient mentioned here is suitable for your diet due to allergies or other reasons, please discuss with your doctor or other qualified healthcare provider.